Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramesh. Today I am going to explain about in OBS. Most of the people are recording their screens, but unfortunately, that OBS screen is not showing our video. If you are using a web camera, if you are using the even DSLR camera, if you are having a DSLR camera, you require Elgato, some kind of video capturing device is required. In this video, I am going to show you without using any kind of sort of things. Yes, easily you will get your video in your recording screen. So if you are watching my video first time, please like, subscribe my channel. So let's get into the topic. So when we are going to the OBS, you can see there is no over there here any screen, my video. Just I am going to zoom. So yeah, I think most of the people are having a zoom application. If you have a zoom application, just you have a one web camera. You keep it your web camera over there and just go to the recording option. Just you can see now I minimized my Zoom meeting this screen over here. So I am minimizing everything. You can see the small part of a video there in my screen. So right now I am going to explain about some software, something about now if I want to explain about my YouTube channels or whatever. This is the easiest way. You see now I am opened by one YouTube channel, but you can see in the screen also there is a small pop-up screen. So you can see what you are explaining, whatever doing, everything. You are now DSLR screen is not required. You with our web camera you can explain whatever you want. So I want to see, so you can see the video here. If you want a little bit bigger one, again you can go ahead. If you want, you can drag somewhere around corner. This is very simple. You can see your screen over here. Very simple. Nothing else. I didn't install any other software except the Zoom. As simple as that. So friends, it's very easy. You can see what you are explaining, what you are talking in your screen. So this is the best way. Not required to buy some other capture device. That one, this one, not required. As simple as that. You install a Zoom and do it. This small hack. Your work will done. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye bye.